Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel, our vlogs.
Ang funny kasi andito kami sa labas ng outlet ngayon. Inantok kami.
Inantok kami, dapat pupunta na kami ng outlet. Pero inantok kami. Anyways, this video is dedicated to Kat's Padala box.
True, dito kami nagpunta sa outlet kasi
mag-window shopping muna si Kat para alam niya kung magkano yung gagastusin niya or iba-budget niya para sa pagpadala ng box niya sa Philippines.
Magka-canvas muna tayo guys and then babalik kami dito next week. Para ngayon, mag-check lang kami ng prices, magkukumpara kami ng prices. Para next week, diretso na lang kami bili kasi
And then so we can take pictures of the things that Kat thinks that her family will like, and then send it to them and have a kind of feedback kung gusto nila yun or hindi, para hindi naman masayang yung time namin next week pag So next week pag bumalik kami, mabilisan na lang, like alam na namin yung bibilin. Tapos, yun na, agad.
True. So, mauna siguro kami sa ano?
Ano ba mga stores ang pupuntahan mo?
Siguro papasok kami ng Nike sa mga shoes. And then, papasok din kami ng hindi ko alam kung ano lang talaga makita namin, guys.
Ano ba mga iniisip mong ipadala?
Shoes and bags and damit.
Yeah. Nung last week, nag-Costco kami para, I think na-vlog natin yun, no? Na-vlog namin yun. Nag-Costco kami para tignan yung mga price ng mga bulk na food products na pwedeng ipadala. Tapos, sinundan ni Kat yun sa family niya. Tapos, tinanong niya kung gusto ba nila yon or hindi nila kailangan. Kasi kung hindi naman kailangan, hindi bibilin. Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kasi, anong point ng bibili ka ng kunwari, mga 28 pieces ng Spam. Tapos, vegetarian naman pala sila.
Imagine kung vegetarian yung
diba?
family ko. How ironic.
I had kulakot. Sorry, guys.
So, yeah, maghanap-hanap kami dito, magka-canvas kami dito, and gusto namin isama kayo para at least makita nyo din na kano yung prices.
Totoo. At saka, Kat's family, if you're watching, if you see something in this video na hindi sinend sa inyo ni Kat, sabihin nyo na lang kay Kat, i-screenshot nyo, i-post nyo, i-screenshot nyo para mabili ni Kat.
True. So, let's go.
Yeah, so let's go na. Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to our video for today. I just want to remind you before we play the video for the vlog that we have a raffle going on until May 2nd, and you have the chance to win $30, a whopping $30. And I know it's not much, but it's free money and it's easy money. All you have to do is comment on any of our 7-minute Sunday videos. There are 4 out right now. So if you comment on all 4, you will get 4 entries for the raffle. So yeah, comment whatever you want to comment. There could be like your answers to our questions in our channel, or just whatever you want to tell us. Yeah, so please do that, and we will put you into our raffle to win $30 to celebrate our 300 subscribers.
Ano? Diretso ka pa dyan.
Ay, ang ingay nito kasama ko. Nandito pala kami sa MacArthur Glen outlet stores. Yan, may coach. Punta tayo sa coach. Wow, that's really nice. Kanin. Yan daw ang gusto ni. Kanina yan?
Pilipina.
Filipina.
50%.
Cute, you know. It's 50% off. And these are also 50% off. Cute. I like this one. I don't wear purses though. Yan lahat. You like that? Yeah. Nice. This is a nice color combination.
Oh yeah.
So there's also Michael Kors, another bag store, so we can go there. Michael Kors naman tayo. Which one are you looking at? That one? That one is...
It's 358.
Yeah. And now it's
There's something
only
else on it.
99. There's si ate. Sabi niya, ayoko dyan. Meron ding Guess dito. And Calvin Klein. So, the body shop meron din. And Tommy. Ayan, may Herschel din. Naghahanap kami daw ng backpack. So, pupunta kami sa Herschel. Ayan siya. Backpacks. Backpacks. May Fossil din. Ayun na sikat. Pipili na kami ata sa ano ngayon, sa Nike or somewhere. Gusto ko din tong store na to. Pang mga home kitchen goods. Watches. You can buy watches here too. Swatch. Yes, may live painting dito si Takasudo. Wow. Okay. Samsonite, Reebok, Puma. Ito din. Oshkosh and Carter's baby details. A6 din. Meron sila dito. And marami pa. Ang dami tao ngayon. Meron din Lacoste and Kate Spade. And a pla area. Yan. I don't know what that is, but it's there. Outdoor pala siya, guys. So, pag umuulan, wala. Mahirap. Punta kami ngayon sa Nike. May store din. Gusto ko yung mga ano nila doon.
And that is good. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and recyclable.
Punta kami sa Maanat ngayon. Magaganda yung kulay ng Maanat. I like the colors in here. It's nice. Wow! I like that. Ayun na sikat. She's picking. Ayan, may Tory Burch, tas ang haba ng linya. Aritzia, although their sales are not really sales. And then Jimmy Choo, Furla, Ovado. Ay, North Face din. Malaki yung store nila, in fairness. My Adidas, Old Navy. Tapos kung naghahanap kayo ng Japadog na malapit sa Richmond, yan, and then Japadog. Ito yung ano nila, parang food court. Yan. Outdoor din. Tapos meron na, ay naka-on na yung ano dun, oh. Parang water fountain. Ayan, andyan na ang pila ng Nike. Medyo mahaba. Ayan na yung Skechers. And then Vans is right there. Then there's Under Armour over there. And so weird shoe. I don't like that.
Nay, ako job ko namin eh. Kasi kira may pamukul. Siya mo mata, gusto ba rin ako madin?
Look at that one. Ito naman tayo sa Skechers. Ayan na, Skechers. Ito yung tinitignan ni Kat para sa kanyang ina na si Pilipina. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Vans. Ganito ang price dito. Ito yung mga ganito. Is for kids, $40. So, ranges from 39, 29, 40, 44.
So, yun yung mga napuntahan namin kanina. And then, dito na ata namin i-end yung video kasi medyo mahaba na. I-update namin kayo kung ano mga nabili namin. Siguro next week na kami babalik dito. Nag-canvas lang muna kami kung ano yung mga magandang puntahan at bilhan. Tsaka yung mura lang. So, uwi na kami. See you guys next time. Bye!